This is a rare footage of Burna Boy doing the most at his sister's birthday party. Wow. Subscribe to the channel. This is Bad King. I gotcha.
Everybody is focused on different things. Of Missy, I'm sure 3 years of it, or 4 or 5 of it, she spent with a lollipop in her cheek. Wow. And didn't know what was going on. Claimed every space that was available. I was sitting here before. That was my cup before. This was my seat before. Everything Nisi came across, she owned. Last born single.
Okay, Namix is gonna give us speed.
Please, can we say no, we're gonna get it. Where are you going? I did not call you. I said Namix.
Are we not singing along?
We're gonna sing for Nisi, everyone. 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nisi.
Well, there's nothing like I say that you don't know already. Next time, I think I'll order the cake myself.
Why did you order it? You were doing big boy.
No, I thought you people would represent.
I mean, this is the core.
No, this running, I be this running.
100%.
Now why her room now completed building?
I'm a creative. It's creativity. I'm a
I don't finish, I don't come on here.
Why are you so hostile?
Your leader.
His leather is hot.
One about them just sweat. Ho! Ho!